Thank you, Madam Chairperson. I feel really deeply denial of the central fact that very reluctant by the government and the false vision and the future. Perhaps maybe soft power referendum embrace benevolence. I'm worried about the students polarizing. It's not just that they express their dangerous sense, but it might add to the antisocial, Madam Chairperson. Now we could see the Nehu, the oldest university in the Northeast, the oldest centralist university. It's been systematically attacked. The Northeast has been systematically attacked. Even the budget, when you look at, it's very, very low. 99.9%, almost zeroing, Madam Chairperson. Now, lots of students, they have gone for the hunger strike, and some of them has been hospitalized. But till then, there is no issue raised by the central government. Madam Chairperson, I would like to request the central government at least go to the zero ground and then diagnose the situation. What is the reality that is happening? Even the ranking of this university has gone down drastically. It was one of the best, but now the ranking has gone down. So therefore, Madam Chairperson, I would like to request and then condemn the Vice Chancellor. Because of him, the university has gone down, and because of him, the messiness in that university is happening. Therefore, Madam Chairperson, we should not only rely on the politics. Just messiness of the politics requires moderation, compromise, ultimately realism. Such civility requires a discussion, Madam Chairperson. Therefore, I would like to request at least try to